Meet the Pedibal Navigator, the perfect companion for urban commuting and weekend adventures. Compact and portable, the Navigator folds in seconds with its easy hub-to-hub magnetic locking, making storage and transport easier than ever before. Fits conveniently into a travel bag for convenient portability on public transport, making it perfect for trains, small apartments or even busy offices. With a 4.9 out of 5 rating on our Trustpilot page, we're proud to be one of the UK's top-rated e-bike brands. Our customers expect and love the quality and performance and the reliability that Pedibal Bikes offers. Crafted from an aluminium frame, it's strong, durable and lightweight. It can carry up to 140 kilos, perfect for riders of varying heights. Capable of tackling steep hills effortlessly with its 5 levels of electric pedal assist and Shimano branded gears, the Navigator powers through even gradients up to a 17.5%. The discreetly located removable LG premium cell battery ensures all-weather performance with a built-in USB that even lets you charge your phone and devices on the go. And with a DVSA certified throttle option, enjoy speeds up to 15.5 miles an hour. Effortless ride every time. Completely legal in the UK without the need for insurance, registration plate or even a driving licence. Naturally, we always insist that a helmet is always recommended. Are you ready to transform your ride? Choose Pedibal Navigator, where style, power, convenience meet seamlessly. Order yours today and discover more about the Navigator at pedibal.com. Free delivery included to UK mainland.